square root of 5x plus 9 plus root of 5x minus 9 is equal to 3 into 2 plus root 2, and the value of 10x plus 9 the whole root is question. So the given equation can be rewritten as 5x minus 9 is equal to 6 plus 3 root 2. Further, this can be also written as square root of 5x minus 9 square root of 36 plus square root of 18. And the difference between these two terms is common. They have a common difference of 18. So I can equate each and individual term. So I'll be getting 5x plus 9 the whole root is equal to square root of 36, or square root of 5x minus 9 will be equal to square root of 18. So solving any one of these equations, we will be able to get down to the value of x. So from here I get 5x plus 9 is equal to 36, or 5x is equal to 36 minus 9, which is 27, or 10x equal to 54, or 5x minus 9 is equal to 18, 5x is equal to 27, 10x is equal to 54. Because ideally we have to calculate the value of 10x plus 9. So 10x plus 9 is equal to 54 plus 9. So square root of 63 will be answer, which is equal to square 3 root 7 will be the solution for the given question. So which is option A is the correct answer.